Hey, busy mama. If wash day feels like a full-blown battle, you are not alone. I tested 4 popular detangling tools on my 3-year-old's natural hair so you don't have to. And let's just say, all detanglers are not created equal. I split her hair into 4 sections, same leave-in conditioner, same curls, and a different tool for each. The long tooth comb, the Tymo Detangling brush, the Tangle Teezer, and the Unbrush. Let's get into it. We started with the classic long tooth comb. And listen, I wanted this one to come through for the culture, but it took the longest and made her hair feel rough. It doesn't define her curls or clump them together. It actually dries the hair out, in my opinion. By the end of this section, I was tired and so was she. Growing up, this would have been considered a luxury tool, but now with other products on the market, we have other things that can help our natural hair. So for rating, I would say the ease a 5 out of 10, speed a 4 out of 10, tears 7 out of 10. Moisture retention wise, limited. Next up is the Tymo. I wanted to like it, I really did, but it's just not practical. It kept slipping out of my hand, even though you would think that this would not happen because it fits perfectly in the hand. I don't know if it's because I don't have anything to grip, but I just could barely hold it. And it also broke apart mid-use, which happens a lot with these type of brushes. And it exposes a bunch of product buildup on the inside. It detangled okay, but honestly, it's not worth the hassle when you're dealing with a wiggly toddler. All right, so rating for this one, ease would be a 6 out of 10, speed 6 out of 10, tears 4 out of 10, frustration level high. Notice the 2 plaits that have been done already. So this is the one with the comb. This one is becoming undone. Notice it is not braided at the end or twisted because it didn't hold it in comparison to the one with the brush. That's why I like to detangle with the brushes over combs because, again, it clumps the curls together. Now, this one right here, the Tangle Teezer, it is worth the hype. I used to dread wash day, but this tool really changed the game. It helped me get through the tangles quickly without causing pain, and she was actually calm while I worked. I never thought I would say this, but I actually enjoyed detangling her hair. And baby, this is years of trying different tools and products. So for rating, ease 9 out of 10, speed 9 out of 10, tears 1 out of 10, and joy surprisingly high. And last but not least, the Unbrush, another one that actually lives up to the hype. It's super lightweight but feels sturdy. I was able to brush through large sections fast without tugging. This was my first time using it, and I was actually shocked how it smoothed out her hair and made the process really easy. Even my daughter was happy about it. The girl had to pick it up and try it herself.
There you go. There you go, Nana.
So for rating, ease 9 out of 10, speed 10 out of 10, tears 0. And this one actually gets bonus points for being light but mighty. For the final verdict, if I had to rank them, here's how it shakes out. Number 1, the Unbrush, fast, gentle, and no drama. Number 2, Tangle Teezer, which is running really high up there with number 1. Super effective and toddler approved. And let me add, for the Unbrush and the Tangle Teezer, both of these brushes I can use from the roots down to the tips all the way. Like, it literally melts the hair and has the hair fully brushed out and detangled, and makes wash day and styling the hair the easiest. And I've never experienced this in all my life, so I am really blown away by these tools. And I used to think, oh, okay, a brush is a brush. No, it is not the same. They are not built equally. Number 3, Tymo. Okay results, but a little too fussy. Number 4, long tooth comb. We had a good run, but it's time to retire until it's toothbrush season. So tell me, which one is your go-to on wash day? I love discovering tools that actually work, especially for our little ones. And if you want more honest reviews like this, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. We've got curls to conquer together, mama.